Welcome to the Rusted Nail channel. Here you'll find woodworking videos that are hopefully both inspirational as well as entertaining. My aim is not to be just another how-to woodworking channel here on YouTube, but to tell a story that goes along with each piece that I build. In these videos I'll tell you how I came up with the idea for the piece, why I'm building it, and how it is I go about crafting each piece. Over the years, I've built furniture of all shapes and sizes, and I've been lucky enough to make a living doing this. And as you'll notice in most of my videos, most of the work I use primarily reclaimed materials. Working with reclaimed materials is very different than working with wood from the lumber mill. So I hope to be able to teach those that want to start working with reclaimed some of the peculiarities that go along with working with it. In the end, I hope you, the viewers, will find the content to be appealing and hopefully be inspired to make, create, and share your passion, whatever it might be. So, thanks for stopping by, and if you feel inclined to do so, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new projects.